Then I get.
She has to flip mine.
Yeah.
Or we get something free.
Or else we get the next one for free.
Make sure she flips it, Mom, okay?
It even said she don't flip.
She has to flip it.
Wait, these
Not
windows.
one on the small.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it even said it on the sign. It said all of them flipped or the next one free. Oh yeah, Katie. Shh, shh, shh.
Thank you.
She's gonna flip it. She's gonna flip it. She gonna flip it.
Flip it.
Flip it. Flip it.
Dude, she has to. Oh, if she's not, I'm gonna be mad.
If she's not, then we get the next one for free.
All right, there you go. Did you need this for
Thank you.
anything?
No, thank you.
What the heck? The Dairy Queen's on Vel.
No.
Oh no, they just got a new one. Oh, Katie, there it is.
Katie.
Just like one of the smoothies.
Okay, thank you.
They didn't.
For our video.
They didn't flip that.